In this video, we have to discuss about the cloud computing infrastructure. Now, cloud computing provides us means by which we can access the applications as utilities over the internet. It allows us to create, configure, and customize the business applications online. And this term cloud refers to a network or internet. So, in other words, we can say that cloud is something which is present at remote location. Cloud can provide service over public and private networks like using the WAN, LAN, or the VPN. Now, applications such as email, web conferencing, customers relationship management are executing on the cloud. Now, cloud computing infrastructure um, consists of servers, storage devices, network, cloud management software, deployment software, and platform virtualization. Now, given the figure here, this hypervisor is a firmware or low-level program that acts as a virtual machine manager. So it allows to share the single physical instance of cloud resources between several tenants. And this management software helps to maintain and configure the infrastructure. And with the help of deployment software, it helps us to deploy and integrate the application on the cloud. And network is the key component of cloud infrastructure. So it allows to connect cloud services over the internet. It is also possible to deliver network as a utility over the internet, which means the customer can customize the network route and protocol. This server helps to compute the resource sharing and offers other services such as resource allocation and deallocation, monitoring the resources, and providing security. And this storage, um, cloud helps multiple replicas of storage. There are many replicas that are stored in the cloud. And if one of the storage resource fails, then it can be extracted from another one because of the replica, which makes cloud computing more reliable. So, this infrastructural constraints is the fundamental constraints that cloud infrastructure should implement and is shown in the diagram. The transparency, okay, it helps the virtualization, which is the key to share resources in cloud environment. But it is not possible to satisfy the demand with single resource or server. Therefore, there must be a transparency in resources, load balancing, and application so that we can scale them on demand. Scalability, scaling up an application delivery solution is not that easy as scaling up an application because it involves configuration, overhead, or even architecturing the network. So, application delivery solution is need to be scalable, which will require the virtual infrastructure such that resource can be provisioned and deprovisioned easily. Now, to maintain transparency and scalability, application solution delivery will need to be capable of intelligent monitoring. And the mega data center in the cloud should be securely architected. Also, The control node, which is an entry point in mega data center, also needs to be secure. Now, there are five cloud service models: the infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, and software as a service. Another one is identity as a service, and lastly, the network as a service. Now, to know more about these cloud service models, we will have an activity for you that will be taken individually to have an overview about these service models.